Si Kuyan. Ini yun ang...
Madam Chair, with regard to the ordinance we are deliberating upon, and again, going back to Section 6 of the said proposed ordinance, I move that we delete the portion as far as the Lupon and barangay literacy worker is concerned, because they are
separate.
yes, on the case of the Lupon, they have a separate ordinance to cover the grant of honoraria, and as far as the barangay literary work is concerned, I think another legislation should be passed with regard to them, and I think Councilor Baldemoro have some barangay volunteers that
Will be
should be included in this ordinance. So, can we have Councilor
Honorable Baldemoro for the inclusion of other volunteers?
Thank you, Madam Chair. To be included, Madam Chair, is the barangay health worker, slash CBRS. The rate is 2,800. And also the barangay health encoder. The rate is 2,000 pesos per month. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Okay. So that will be included in Section 6.
And an additional proviso, Madam Chair, under Section 6 should be included, which states that all other barangay
Volunteers.
Frontline barangay volunteer who are also involved in COVID containment activities shall likewise be granted honoraria based on the applicable ordinance that they are authorized to receive. There are ordinances, Madam Chair, which authorizes the grant of honoraria. Example is
Lupon and
other barangay volunteers.
So on joint and collective motion?
On
joint and collective motion, approved.
But again, Madam Chair, on the proposed section 9 should be deleted. 9 and 10 should be deleted because the funding requirement for this will be charged against our current appropriation for barangay special purpose appropriation for barangay essential services. We have that, Madam Chair, under our current budget as far as funding is concerned. But on the creation of trust account, there's no need for the creation of such an account because this will fall under personal services. Thank you, Madam.
Thank you, Honorable Del Castillo. So on joint and collective motions, approved with the following amendments as stated by Honorable Del Castillo. Next item.
Copy of DILG Memorandum Circular 2020-111.
So those who are interested, kindly inform. Mayor?
Madam Chair, there is a Zoom link for those interested to attend the webinar.
So those who are interested, noted. Next item. Next item.
Sir Lito,
Honorable.
the traffic enforcement
Iya.
incentive.
Sige.
Next session.
So next session. Okay, next.
Nominal voting.
Honorable Baldemoro.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Madam Chair, may I move that all the approved resolution and ordinance be transferred to nominal voting and approve the same.
Any second? Okay.
Motion to adjourn, Madam Chair.
Okay, any second? Session is adjourned. Where is the